listen up and I'll tell a story.
Get along, little doggies, for you know New York will be your new home. Whoop-a-tee-I-O. Get along, little doggies. It's your misfortune.
Using Dawn.
Where's that Joe Buck?
Where's that Joe Buck?
Where's that Joe Buck?
Little doggies.
Where is that Joe Buck? Look at this crap!
Yeah, where's that Joe Buck?
Side of the road. Had a tire blowout. Oh, Billy's gonna be so pissed.
Grab an apron and clean up that crap back there.
Man, he knows what the hell he can do with that crap.
I'm supposed to somehow cut this tread. Cut this tread, limp back to the shop, offload. Oh, fuck. For a life of excess, modeling, acting, just boom, buck. You are this legendary thing, and yet he gains.
We're supposed to be this colossus. You were this great legendary thing, and yet he gains.
Good times. Fuck it.
I do not accept excuses. I'm just going to have to find myself a new giant, that's all.
Don't say that.
I'm just gonna have to get a new giant. Let's slow boat this ride to the shop. 11 miles, if something happens. Wow.
You can die too, for all I care.
Oh!
Fuck. Maybe I miscalculated. I said I'd get to work in my 40s. 30s were for me to, you know, I retired in my 30s. That's smart. I actually thought I'd have enough money to just kind of, you know, sail away anyhow, but goddamn banks. This is Buddy Elliott, director. He's got a movie right now, cowboy flick, you know? Come on.
I'm your huckleberry.
That was my cowboy move. I'm so tired. After you work, you're so tired. Car broke. Got my mechanic coming later. The money I was gonna put together, put aside. The money I was gonna put aside to marketing, advertising. Gonzo. It's like a cosmic joke. It's really. Oh, Lord, have mercy on my soul. Keep it up. Where's that Joe Buck?